Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to summarize the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne in some simple points. This book tells us about the law of attraction, which is referred to as the secret. First of all, let me tell you what the law of attraction is. This law is no different from all the scientific laws that are acting on us. This law says that everything we face in our life is attracted by us and is an outcome of our thoughts. So let's discuss this law in detail through the following points. Make a list of the things you are grateful for. Make a list of things you want in life as if you already have them, and thank God for giving them to you. Thank more often for everything you have in your life. Talk about your blessings. Be content. Imagine. This is a very important part of the law of attraction. You have to imagine everything that you want in life. Only then will you receive it. Imagine only the final outcome. This is a very important thing that people need to understand, that we need to imagine only the final thing that we want. If we keep on thinking on the ways that how are we going to get the thing that we are imagining, then we create a hindrance for ourselves. Feel as if you already have everything that you want. Imagination is incomplete without the feeling of happiness, love, fulfillment, and contentment. If you think you will get something in future, then that thing will remain in future only. Think that you already have acquired the thing that you want in your present. Being crazy while imagining is very essential. It's essential to enjoy the outcome. This feeling will open all closed doors, and the energy of the universe will start flowing through them in your life. Well, how are you going to get what you want? The answer is faith and hard work. You need to have faith on this law that whatever you are imagining, you are going to receive. And obviously, hard work is very important. Then, first of all, you might be wondering that who is going to grant you what you want? It's the universe. It will itself find out the shortest distance between you and your dreams. Apply the secret in your life, not as a work to do, but with complete happiness. Make it a habit to use the secret in your daily life. The secret is meant to be used forever. No use of applying it only for sometimes. Make it an inseparable part of your life. Believe that everything you imagine is possible. For a few minutes, think about what you want, as if you have it. Then, think about what all you have and be happy and thankful about it. Then leave everything to the universe. Everything you can imagine, you can get. When you find inspiration, trust it and act according to it. First, find happiness, satisfaction, and love. Only then will you find happiness with money. Enjoy your own company in order to make people enjoy your company. Love yourself, respect yourself madly. Notice what's good in your loved ones rather than what is bad. This will improve your relations. For 30 days, write down about what you appreciate about the one you love and what you love about them. All problems between you both will be resolved. Only you are responsible for your happiness. When you are sick, try to find a cure in your own mind. And you know what? The root of all diseases is stress. A disease cannot reside in a body which is physically and mentally fit. A disease will only be cured if you divert your mind from the disease and focus on curing it. Even the cure of uncurable diseases lies in your mind. Don't let any thought come in your head that would drift you and your goal apart. What you resist persists. It's a very common habit of people that we keep on thinking about the things that we don't want in life and that we don't appreciate much. But you know what? That draws them closer to us. So, what you resist persists. When your inner voice becomes stronger than outward views and advices around you, then you become the owner of your life. Get stabilized, get rid of what you don't want, and then contribute your energy to what you want. Energy flows where focus goes. There is ample goodness, happiness, love, energy, kindness in this world. Once you decide what you want in life, no one can stop you from achieving it. If things are not right, don't waste your energy on negativity. The more happiness you give to people, the double you receive. You have the godly power to create your own life. When you focus on what you want, the unwanted things disappear. You can be whatever you want using the secret. You can be free from the beliefs of other people. All you need to change your life is you. Your every no and impossible has been created by you yourself. Nothing is impossible. Do whatever gives you happiness. No point doing something you don't like. The happiness of our mind is the fuel for our success. So that's it, guys. Let me tell you that I've read this book and also seen its documentary on the internet. It's an amazing book and has helped me bring major positive changes in my life. I would really suggest you all to read this book or see its documentary online. It's available in various languages and is tried and tested by people worldwide. Thanks to Rhonda Byrne for such an amazing work to bring about a change in people's life. So, thanks guys for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.